This is the media area over here. They are waiting for probably the fire chief to talk again. The fire chief's been giving an update every hour. So nobody perished in this, thank goodness. A couple people taken to intensive care unit. But the warning system for this was really on key, because a lot of people were getting warnings on their phone right at 11:30 last night. And they took the warnings very seriously because their phones were going off. So the tornado warnings that would come through here would be alerting people on their iPhones with a, you know, a really loud beeping, which probably saves some lives, actually. People are ready to get to their basement. I can always tell it's a day after tornado because all the windows are still open. Stuff is in complete disarray. They haven't had time to board up their windows yet, you know. I don't even know where that tree would come from. Probably from, just think about how heavy that tree is right there. Well, so that root, that tree right there is coming from right there, right behind me. Yeah, debris path is like a whole, I don't know, like 3 or 4 blocks wide, the debris path. Maybe a 1/4 mile wide tornado. Maybe not that severe. It's crazy. We went to phase 5 pandemic last like 2 weeks ago with no mask, and then this hits literally a week later. Yeah, out in this area. So people finally get their lives back to normal out in this area with no more masks, no more pandemic, and then they get hit by this tornado. It's just absolutely insane. Crazy. That's the worst damage over there. There's 2 homes back there. There's nothing left but their foundation.